Welcome friends, in today video we discuss about Godrej consumer product stock my friend. Why we are discussing this stock my friend? We are on Angel Spark home page and we just click on Instarted my friend, and here you can search the stock by clicking on a plus button and you have to select the stock my friend. You can search the stock here my friend. There's a Godrej CP my friend. Godrej CP is a code name of the Godrej consumer product. We have a NSE is there, BSE is there, NSE 23rd February expiry is there, 29 March, 27 April. You get a call, CP, each and everything you have my friend. We just click on a NSE and here you get a daily chart is there my friend. We select the indicator FX, that's the RSI. RSI is the 58 is there. As you know that my friend, here you get a big volume is there. Important is the volume is higher. More on my friend, you get a trend line my friend. Here is the, we just collect the lows of that my friend and stock making a new highs my friend. And there's a trend line support today get and big upside volume is there. Why ये वॉल्यूम क्यों दोस्तों हुआ और ये क्यों हुआ? तो दोस्तों दो रीजन है. एक तो गोदरेज कंज्यूमर का जो क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट आया वहां पे रेवेन्यू अप हुआ है और प्रॉफिट भी अप आया है. दूसरी बड़ी बात दोस्तों, उसके अलावा दोस्तों ट्रेंड लाइन का सपोर्ट लिया है और जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने आज बजट निकाला है दोस्तों, बजट में दोस्तों टैक्स स्लैब में जो काफ़ी अच्छे चेंजेस हुए हैं उसका बेनिफिट ये कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स कंपनी को होने वाला है. सो दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रैब दिस स्टॉक माय फ्रेंड. सो if you want to buy, you just click on a buy for a cash my friend. You have a delivery order is there my friend. You can enter the quantity. If you want to enter the 50 quantity, you can enter it. 929.70, that's a limit price. You can also place the market order also. Margin required is a 46,485. After that, you just click on a buy and confirm buy and you can place your order my friend. Now, this is the cash order my friend. If you want to order in a future and option, then you can just click on a option chain my friend, and here you get the 23rd February expiry is there. Here is the call is there, put is there my friend, and latest strike price is there my friend. As you know, the 900 to 920 range is a support range is there my friend. So here you get the, if you want to buy a call my friend, here is the option. Open interest is the 1.3 lakh is there. So very good open interest support level directly indicated in a option premium also my friend. So you just click here my friend and you get the buy option is there my friend. You just buy a call my friend, and after that my friend you get a carry forward order and intraday order is there. One lot size is equal to 100. You can enter a two lot is there. After that my friend 30.95 is the limit price is there. You also place the market order also my friend, and margin required is a 61,900 is required my friend. After that you just click on a buy. After that you confirm the buy and you can place your order my friend. Once you place the order, you have my friend unrealized profit and loss statement here my friend, and order booking you can show my friend. This video for educational purpose, and if you haven't downloaded Angel Spark app, go to the Google Play Store and download it. This video, thank you very much friend.